Hello students, welcome to NEERAJA'S Biology Academy. You are with Akula Neeraja Prakash, faculty in Biology. Hope you are conditioning good for your upcoming NEET examination. Amidst your tensions, you are doing hard work as well as smart work. Hard work with the perfect discipline will make you to reach your goal. Discipline is a bridge that connects your present state with that of your dreams. Before doing hard work or smart work, you should develop the awareness which units and chapters maximum number of questions were asked in previous papers. Now let us see the unit wise and also chapter wise analysis of previous year papers. Here I have taken the number of questions appeared from 2016 to 2021 unit wise. Maximum number of questions appeared from unit 5, that is human physiology, from unit 7, and then from unit 6, reproduction. Here the number of questions appeared chapter wise from 2016 to 2021. Maximum number of questions appeared from molecular base of inheritance chapter, and second human health and diseases chapter, and then next principles of inheritance and variation chapter. Now we have to focus on the areas of specific chapter from which the questions are frequently asked. Let us see 2021 NEET question paper, where a question appeared right from the genetic code region. This is a statement type of question which we got. The codon AUG codes for methionine and phenylalanine. AUG, it codes for methionine, but UUU and UUA codes for phenylalanine. So it's a wrong statement. And then AAAAG are the codons that code for amino acid lysine. Yes, it's a. And then next, if you move on to the 2019 Orissa paper, we got a question related to the genetic code area. And if you observe 2019 AIMS paper, genetic code of RG9, we got a question related to the genetic code. In 2018, we got a question related to the codons of glycine. This reflects the importance of solving of previous year papers. This is another example related to environmental issues topic. Dobson units are used to measure the thickness of the ozone layer. This question appeared in 2021, and then right from the same area of environmental issues, we got a question in 2020 phase 1. So Montreal Protocol was signed in 1987 for the control of iodine. I didn't drop all the options. And then next, the snow blindness in Antarctica region is due to also related to the ozone depletion, related to NEET phase 1 examination. And then next, if you come to which of the following protocols did the aim for reducing the emission of chlorofluorocarbons, related to 2019. Another question, which of the following statements about the ozone is correct? Few statement type of questions appeared in 2019. And if you observe, the ozone day is celebrated on 2018. And then which of the following is a secondary pollutant? Appeared in 2018. In stratosphere, which of the following elements acts as a catalyst in the degradation of ozone? In 2018. And in snow blindness is mainly due to UV radiation, which appeared in the match the following. By observing this, law is flashed in my mind. Biogenetic law, a theory of recapitulation. Ontogeny repeats phylogeny. If we solve 2021 NEET paper, you will come across n number of questions that appeared in previous year papers. This paper is recapitulating the previous year question papers. Not only these two questions, almost all 80% of 2021 NEET examination questions are sliced or sparked from the previous year NEET papers. Some of the options of the previous year NEET papers are blessed in the form of questions. So you should be in the position to prepare the concept related to those particular options of the previous year questions. For example, if you are not comfort or feeling difficult related to the specific concept perception, then there are two methods of preparing that hard areas. These two methods are practically and scientifically proved by the scientists of Waterloo University in Canada. The first method is interacting with your friend related to that particular concept. And the second method is reading a little bit louder that particular concept. Reading louder will shows compounding effect. Then what is that compounding effect? Related to a specific area where you are feeling very difficult. No need to worry. Open your book, look at that particular lines and read a little bit louder. If you look at those lines, the sensory input through optic nerve reaches optic chiasma and superior colliculi via thalamus, it reaches the occipital lobe where the interpretation of that particular concept will occur. Now, from this occipital lobe, message is sent to the frontal lobe. The Broca's area of the frontal lobe, it sends motor signals to the tongue, where the voluntary muscles will roll. As a result, the words are spelled out. The words which are spelled by you are heard by your ear and through vestibulocochlear nerve. It reaches the pons and then to inferior colliculi, thalamus, and then to the temporal lobe, where the vernix area understand that particular speech. Interpretation of that particular words will occur. So here, with respect to the particular concept, occipital lobe is receiving the sensory input, and then temporal lobe is also receiving sensory input. These two sensory inputs related to a particular concept will strongly fix in your brain. And then it activates the limbic system, which is converted into the long-term memory, stored as compounding effect. Now let us see the analysis of 2021 paper, unit-wise as well as chapter-wise. These are the number of questions appeared unit-wise related to the paper 2021. Maximum number of questions appeared from unit 7, genetics and evolution, and next stood unit 6, unit 3, and unit 9, cell, the structure and function, reproduction. If we come to the number of questions that appeared in botany as well as in zoology, there are some questions related to specific chapters appeared both in botany as well as in zoology. From plant kingdom, 5 questions. Cell, the unit of life, cell cycle and cell division, 9 questions. Biomolecules, 4 questions. Genetics and molecular base of inheritance, 11 questions. Evolution, 2 questions. Strategies for enhancement in food production, 4 questions. From biotechnology, 11 questions. From ecology, 9 questions appear. These are the common areas which are blessed both in botany as well as in zoology. Coming to botany, darkly shaded area is related to exclusively botany. And then light shaded areas, right from these chapters, questions are dropped both in botany as well as in zoology. And then let us see morphology of flowering plants, 3, anatomy of flowering plants, 3, plant physiology, 8 questions, reproduction in plants, 4, plant kingdom, 4, and then cell, the unit of life, cell cycle and cell division topic, 5 questions, and then from biomolecules, 2, and then genetics and molecular base of inheritance, 5 questions appeared in evolution, 1 question from evolution, and the strategies for enhancement in food production, 2 questions, and then biotechnology, 7 questions, and ecology part, 6 questions, totally 50 questions. And if we come to the section A, coming to the level, easy level questions 22, medium level 12, difficult level 1, and then total number of questions 35. And then related to the section B, easy level 2 questions, medium level 12 questions, and 1 difficult level. Coming to zoology part, Here also, darkly shaded area exclusively zoology. So, animal kingdom 4, structural organization in animals 3, human physiology 10 questions, human reproduction and reproductive health 6, 2 from human health and diseases, 1 from microbes in human welfare. Plant kingdom 1 question. Cell, the unit of life, cell cycle and cell division. So, where 4 questions appear. Biomolecules 2. Genetics and molecular base of inheritance 6. 1 from evolution strategies for enhancement in food production. 2 questions. Biotechnology 4, and then from ecology area 3. Section A, which is having easy level questions 20, medium level 12, difficult level 3. And then related to the section B, easy level 1, medium level 11 questions, difficult level 3 questions, totally 15 questions. Related to class-wise distribution, from class 11, 49, and from class 12, 51 questions appear. Coming to the level of questions, in 2020, easy level questions 52%, medium level 42%, and difficult level 6%. Whereas in 2021, easy level 45%, medium level 47%, and difficult level 8%. The complexity of the paper in 2021 is increased when compared with that of 2020. The gross analysis reveals 2021 paper is moderate on more number of lengthy questions, nearly 17 matchings, and then 20 questions are statement type. If we come to the botany end, difficult, moderate level questions are increased when compared with that of 2020 paper. Questions from NCERT textbook only. Questions are not lengthy related to botany. Small concept-based problems appear related to botany. No controversy is associated. Now let us move on to zoology part. Moderate level questions are increased. Most of the questions are stimulating with careful consideration. Some questions are crazy and need elucidation before answering. Few are tricky and few are with language stroll. It has become difficult for the students to understand. Few terms are beyond NCERT, like net square, Punnett square, bullet square, and then punch square. And then related to zoology part, rostral adenohypophysis. These are the terms which are beyond the NCERT. Students, they felt difficult while doing zoology paper. Now let us see the number of questions appeared chapter-wise related to the specific unit. From unit 1, diversity in the living world, 1 question. Right, from biological classification, 1 question. Only 1 statement appeared right from this biological classification. From plant kingdom, 5 questions. From animal kingdom, 4 questions. Coming to unit 2, structural organization in plants and animals. Morphology of flowering plants 3, anatomy of flowering plants 3, and the structural organization in animals 4 questions appear. Coming to unit 3, cell structure and function, 4 questions appear from the cell unit of life, and then 4 from biomolecules, and then 5 from cell cycle and cell division area. The unit 4, plant physiology, 2 questions appeared from transport in plants, 1 from mineral nutrition, photosynthesis in higher plants 1, from respiration in plants 2, and from plant growth and development 3 questions appear. And related to unit 5, human physiology, digestion and absorption 2 questions, 2 from breathing and exchange of gases, 2 from body fluids and circulation. None of the questions appeared this year from excretory products and elimination, and also from neural control and coordination. Locomotion and movement 2 questions, and 2 questions from chemical control and integration chapter. Coming to unit 6, reproduction, 1 question from reproduction in organisms, 4 from sexual reproduction in flowering plants, 3 from human reproduction, 3 from reproductive health. And then coming to the unit 7, genetics and evolution, 2 from principles of inheritance and variations. And then 9 from molecular base of inheritance and 2 from evolution. Coming to unit 8, biology in human welfare, human health and diseases, 2 questions, strategies for enhancement in food production, 4 questions, microbes in human welfare, 1 question appeared. From unit 9, biotechnology and its applications, 4 from biotechnology principles and process, 7 from biotechnology and its applications. Coming to the last unit, ecology, 5 questions from organisms and populations, 3 from ecosystem, none appeared from biodiversity, 1 from environmental issues. And then final tips to activate your limbic system, solving as many papers as possible, especially previous NEET papers from 2015 to 2021, self-evaluation of answer sheets, and then doing error analysis. It is our endeavor to revitalize your biennial journey with enriching video lectures, linking with the top previous NEET question papers. Meet you in upcoming videos. Thank you.